Hello, welcome back. Today we will study new chapter of our economic subject, that is index number. Yes students, index number. Okay, it is a statistical tool to measures various economic variables. Okay, economic variables means variable like total population, okay, income, prices, etc. So to calculate these variables, index number is very useful. Student, this is a new chapter. लास्ट ईयर के इन लास्ट ईयर सिलेबस इट वाज नॉट देयर, बट इस बार इन्होंने अपने ये 12 के सिलेबस में ये वाले चैप्टर को जोड़ दिया है. काफ़ी इजी और आसान सा चैप्टर है. ओके, दिस चैप्टर हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग अबाउट स्टैटिस्टिक्स with small calculations. It helps us to understand changes in economic variables. Okay, so this is about what? Index number. Okay, index numbers are one of the most used statistical tool in economy. Index number is used in economics from so many time. An index number is a device to measure the changes in the economic variable. So I said you variable like population, okay, or a group of variable, not a single variable. A group of variable can be measured with the help of index number over a period of time. Index number were originally developed to measure the changes in the price level. Okay, in present content, it is also used to measure trends in a wide variety of areas that include stock market, prices, cost of living, industrial and agriculture production, changes in exports and imports, etc. Yani, these are the different sectors in which index number is used. Okay, index number are not directly measurable but represents relative changes. Relative changes matlab, okay, on the basis of another commodity. Okay, so on this basis index numbers are measurable. Okay, you will study different features of index number and types of index number in this video, which help us to study the index number in proper way. Okay, so we will move towards the definitions of index number. Okay, we have in total two definitions in our topic. Okay, first one is given by Spiegel. Okay, so definition is an index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in a variable or a group of related variable with reference to time, geographical locations, and other characteristics such as income, profession, etc. Okay, so this is a definition given by Spiegel. Basically, if you talk about Spiegel's definition, he explains us that it is a statistical measure which is designed to find out changes in the economy. इंडेक्स नंबर क्यों यूज़ किया जाता है ऐसा स्पेगल बोल रहे, टू फाइंड आउट चेंजेस इन द इकोनॉमी एंड वी कैन गेट द एक्चुअल रिजल्ट्स वॉट एवर इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू प्राइस और क्वांटिटी. ओके, तो स्पेगल बता रहा है इकोनॉमी में जो भी चेंजेस होते हैं उनको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इंडेक्स नंबर इज यूज्ड. Okay, now after the Spiegel's definition, okay, second definition we have here is Croston and Cowden's definition. Okay, index number are devices for measuring differences in the magnitude of a group of related variables. यानी कि क्या बदलाव पॉपुलेशन में पिछले साल था, इस साल क्या चेंजेस आए हैं, क्या प्राइस में पहले बदलाव था और आज क्या प्राइस है. फिर वो किसी भी कमोडिटी की प्राइस हो सकती है या एनी अदर थिंग्स की. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, टू मेजर दिस चेंजेस, ओके, इज अ वर्क ऑफ इंडेक्स नंबर एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंसेस, ओके, this type for this type of measurement we use index number. Okay, now further there are features of index number. Okay, so there are total 8 points of index number. These points may be very difficult to understand ऐसा आपको लग सकता है, but you will learn this point very easily. Okay, so what are the points? Number 1 is index number are statistical devices. Number 2, index numbers are specialized averages which are capable of being expressed in percentage. Index number can express in percentage. Then next is index number are measures Two, the net changes in the one of the more related variable over a period of time or between a two different time period of different localities. So index number can be measured with two different localities every two different period of time. Next is index number, which is computed from a single variable is called univariate index. अगर किसी एक यूनिट का अगर वेरिएबल का स्टडी करते हैं इंडेक्स नंबर, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज यूनिवेरिएंट इंडेक्स. वेर एज एन इंडेक्स विच कंस्ट्रक्टेड फ्रॉम ग्रुप ऑफ वेरिएबल, इट इज कॉल्ड कंपोजिट इंडेक्स. Then next one is the year for which index number is prepared is called current year. After that, the year with which the changes are measured is called base year. The base year's index number is assumed as 100 and accordingly to the value of the current year it is calculated. Last one is index number are also referred to as barometers of economic activity since it is used to measure the trends and changes in the economy. Okay? तो यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग देखेंगे कि यही जो भी कुछ फीचर्स है उसको हम लोग कैसे स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, तो यहाँ पे these are the some points. Number one is index number is what? It is a statistical device. Please remember in the mind that index number is statistical device to measure the variables, changes in the variables in the economy. Second one is what? Single variant. So that is what? अगर कोई आप सिंगल वेरिएबल का स्टडी कर रहे हो देन उसको बोला जाता है यूनिवेरिएंट. ओके, और वही अगर आप ग्रुप वेरिएबल्स को स्टडी कर रहे हो देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कंपोजिट. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज टू रिमेंबर दैट इंडेक्स नंबर इज कैलकुलेटेड फॉर 2 years, दैट इज करंट ईयर एंड बेस ईयर. ओके, तो 2 important ईयर याद रखना यहाँ पे. ओके, to calculate and compare, one we want is base year and another one year we want is current year. Now what is base year? Okay, base year means which we can use to compare the index number. And what is current year? It is that year for which we do comparison. करंट ईयर मीन्स जिसके लिए हम लोग कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं उसको करंट ईयर बोलते हैं, और बेस ईयर मीन्स जिसकी मदद से हम लोग कंपैरिजन करते हैं उसको बोला जाता है बेस ईयर. ओके, सो ईयर इन द बेस ईयर you have to take index number as a 100 always. Okay, then next is what? Barometer. इकोनॉमी में इंडेक्स नंबर एक क्या मतलब कंसिडर किया जाता है? इकोनॉमिक बैरोमीटर. So these are some points to be remember. Okay, so basically these are some special things which are included in the feature. So let's make these features easy to understand with these points. Number one was statistical device, single variable, group variable, current year, then base year, then next is economic barometer. Okay, so these are the some points from which you can prepare your notes for your features of index number. Okay, now in your textbook there is one column that is you should know. Okay, so there are some terms, please go through it because these terms are very useful while solving the sums of index number. So here they are. P0. P means what? Price. And what is P0? P0 means what? Base year. P1. P means what? Price. 1 means what? Price of a commodity in current year. 1 means what? Current year. 0 means base year. Next is Q. Q means quantity. 0 means base year. Q1. Q means quantity and 1 means for current year. Okay, so student, this is about the some terminologies which we will use in next video. Okay, after that in next video again we will going to study about types of index number. They are price index number, quantity index number, value index number, and special purpose index number. And then we will study some significance, why index numbers are important. So, from framing suitable policies, studies trends and tendencies, forecasting about economic activities, measurement of inflation, useful to present financial data in real terms, etc. are the significance that we will study in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.